Hi, I'm Claire Allen, Sales Manager at Bigfoot-IT. Bigfoot-IT are an independent, privately owned IT supplier set up by people who believe looking after our customers comes first. All our account managers have many years' experience within the industry and can offer pre-sales advice with excellent after-sales customer service. Bigfoot-IT supply the following products: desktops and laptops, tablets. We're an authorised Microsoft Surface reseller. Servers with all the options, monitors, printers and supplies, networking equipment from all major vendors, software including Microsoft Office, audio-visual projectors, large format screens, telecoms equipment and all the peripherals to go with everything above. Being an independent IT reseller means we are not committed to only supplying the main IT vendors like HP, Dell and Microsoft. One of our main selling points is that we want to become your one-stop shop for all your IT purchasing. If you need us to source a hard-to-find item, we can use our database of over 200 suppliers to find it for you. The benefits of buying from Bigfoot-IT is that you will get a dedicated account manager, you'll have an online ordering portal, discounted price book as negotiated by trusted Dolphin, reduced next day delivery charge on stock items and 30 days free credit subject to successful credit checks.